Mastering Secretive Speak. The power of keep it on the hush. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular phrase, keep it on the hush. It's a phrase you might come across in movies, music, or even in casual conversations. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native, stay tuned. The phrase, keep it on the hush, is an informal way to ask someone to keep something a secret or to not disclose information to others. It originates from the word, hush, which means to be quiet or to make someone be quiet. In this context, it's about keeping information quiet or secret. You might use keep it on the hush in various situations where discretion is needed. For example, when sharing personal or sensitive information that you don't want widely known. In professional settings, when discussing confidential information. Among friends, when telling them something in confidence. It's a versatile phrase, but remember, it's more casual, so it's best used in informal settings or among people you are familiar with. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. I got the job, but keep it on the hush until I officially announce it. We're planning a surprise party for Jane. Make sure to keep it on the hush. I heard a rumor about the company merging, but let's keep it on the hush for now. These examples show how you can integrate the phrase into your conversations seamlessly. It's important to note the cultural context of keep it on the hush. In many English-speaking cultures, trust and confidentiality are highly valued. Using this phrase can imply a level of trust and intimacy between the speaker and the listener. It suggests that the speaker believes the listener is reliable and can keep a secret, which can strengthen personal bonds. And that's a wrap on Keep It on the Hush. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and how you can use it to add more nuance to your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the cultural and contextual layers of the phrases we use. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to keep it on the hush when the situation calls for it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.